All right, here's 1241 Crestview. So the house is divided into two parts. This side of the house is fine. This door separates one side of the house to the other house. So let's talk about the plumbing work that was done. Here's the main kitchen. Hot and cold line and drain were added to make another piece of a kitchen here, or another kitchenette. A shower was added. That's the drain to the shower. That's the stack vents that go through the roof. A toilet was added. Here's the drain. That's the cold water line. That's a shut off. And a vanity was added, or the plumbing for a vanity. There's the hot, there's the cold, and the drain. And a laundry connection was added, hot, cold, there's the drain. That's the plumbing. The city needs a master plumber to pull a permit for the work. As far as the electrical for a microwave was added. That was added. That was added. And a plug for a refrigerator was added. This 12-2 wire with the switch was added because there was going to be a wall here because this is going to be a bathroom. That light was added, that connection. The 12-2 wire was added. And that 12-2 was added as well, along with the switch. And the switch here was added with the 12-2 connection for the exterior light. As far as carpentry, that wall was added. An exterior wall was added. Oh, I'm sorry, that exterior door was added because that was not a door at first. And that wall right there was added. Oh, also for the electrical. Oh no, that's okay. So mainly the work on the right side of the house was done. Here's the left side of the house. Here's the right side of the house. They were going to convert this into a duplex. That's why they added on an additional bathroom in those walls. Sorry, and that light was added too, along with the electrical. All the electrical, that wire, those two lights were added because this was going to be a bathroom.